today I thought I would do a vlog because me and my friends are going to Nashville Zoo, and I thought it'd be fun just to, you know, show you guys around Nashville Zoo, and have you meet some of my friends. So I'm gonna stop vlogging while I'm driving because that's very dangerous. But I'm also running very late, so I'll see you guys in a bit.
Yes, I'm so excited. Feels really nice out today.
Show them what your shirt says.
What would Dolly do?
What would Dolly do? She was at the zoo.
Yep.
What would she do at the zoo?
She would probably pull out her guitar and start singing something. Coat of many colors, Jolene. Jolene's very appropriate for the zoo.
Okay, Courtney, what are you most excited to see at the zoo?
Bears.
Bears?
Yes.
Why?
Because they're new and they're super cute.
Brittany?
Monkeys.
You're most excited to see the monkeys?
Yes.
Oh my god, there's birds.
He goes,
Get a kangaroo.
let's get a kangaroo.
What would we name it? Jack Kelly?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Y'all, I'm part of the bear exhibit. Just thought I'd let everyone know. I don't know who that John is, but it's me.
John is her husband.
Andy and Bear. Oh, I'm marrying a John.
She's marrying a John.
Okay, good to know. I'll know for future reference.
So if you're John, Stephanie is available. And you guys already have an exhibit at the zoo.
They're relatives to the white-tailed deer in Tennessee.
Ooh.
That's what we have in our neighborhood.
Yeah. They're cute. Let's go DA Bears. Let's go DA Bears. It's nice seeing a bear that's actually live and not stuffed in our school. Oh, they're playing tackle. Look at these little kitty pigs. They're like, they're on a little half. Guys, guys,
I'm dying.
I wanted a guinea pig for so long. Should I just steal one?
You could.
I'm just gonna steal that really long hairy one. Oh my god.
I need him as well.
Oh my god. Oh look, there's two. There's one in the tree.
Oh yeah, I see.
Oh my god. Oh, look how cute they are. Oh, look at them run. They're chasing each other. Oh my god! Yes, I can make it! No! Oh my god! Oh, he's so cute! Can we get one, Emily and James?
Yes. We can keep them at my house.
Okay.
I have like 10 animals already. My house is. It's like you want to hug.
But they're cute. Are you having fun, Emily?
No. I don't do rope bridges.
Stephanie's gonna shop.
Don't drop your phone, Steph.
Oh, I won't.
If
Court.
she drops her phone, it'll drop 100 feet down, and she'll never be able to do anything again.
I'll
1,000 feet.
I'll cry. Oh, they just like cuddled with each other. Oh my god, that one just laid on the other one's back. That's so me and you, Emily. Anything to say?
No words. Can't even.
Alright, it's a little loud in here, but we're having lunch. What did you get, Courtney?
A burger.
Doesn't it? Woo! And then what did you get, Brittany?
Pizza.
Is it good?
It is.
Is it the best pizza you ever had?
No.
And then Emily and I went for the kids' meal route. I got PB&J and applesauce and some crackers. And what'd you get? Good chicken tenders.
Chicken tenders, applesauce, animal crackers, itty bitty little drink.
We are living the life right now.
Courtney, explain to the people what just happened.
Okay, so we went to like the farm area and there was a donkey, but Stephanie goes, "Look at the goat!" And I go, "No, Stephanie, that is a donkey." And she goes, "No, it's a goat. Look at its ears." And she was wrong. I was right.
Oh my god, I subconscious. You know when you like know what it is, but you say the wrong name? I knew it was a donkey. I used to own donkeys.
When in doubt, it's a goat.
As long as you can respect the job they do for their environment and just leave them alone in their natural habitat, most of the time they're not going to bother you, they're not going to come anywhere near you. However, if you do see a spider or a cockroach in your house, instead of squishing it, the alternative is to put it outside. So you can slide a piece of paper underneath it, put a cup over top, and then put it outside to take care of all those mosquitoes that we really don't like. A very long, kind of dainty paws. And those paws allow them to dig deep into burrows, grab small moles and voles and other rodents out of them. But he can also use those long legs to propel himself into the air about 10 feet from a straight standstill, which is still. Let's move your arms down a little bit lower. There we go. Okay. So whenever we're ready, let's bring out Petrie, our green sorry. There we are. Hi, Pete. Coming out here. Yeah. There we are. Good job, Petrie. All right, so you can just say green sorry, they're found in South America, the rainforest. He's gonna hop across those little arms. There we are. Great job, Petrie. Now these guys, they're not really gonna climb in the branches of the rainforest. They're mostly gonna hop around because that's what they are built for. Come on, Pete. There we are. Good job. Great job. Thank you guys so much for helping us out today. You can head back to your seat.
Just waiting for attack, Courtney. Those are Alaskan geese too. Look. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh, it's mad. Oh guys, I can't be around this. All right, friends, we haven't vlogged in a while. We went into like this old house. It was the first time any of us had toured it. And it was super cool. When was it made, Courtney?
1810?
Yeah, I think something
Maybe?
like that. Yeah, we did.
A long time ago.
We did that, and then we went into the reptile like museum thingy that they had. And Courtney kept scaring me because she knows I'm scared of reptile stuff. Oh my goodness. And then we almost got attacked by a goose, but it's fine.
We did it. Stephanie is just like freaking out. It was just chilling. It was minding its own business.
And I was scared. So, is there anything else we want to do before we're leaving?
I don't think so.
I don't know. Dippin' Dots?
Oh,
Just kidding, I don't actually need any.
now I'm sad. We're now leaving and we're all sad. Aren't we all? It was a good day. Wasn't it?
Yes,
Yes, it was
You
very
guys
fun.
need to be more energetic. Guys,
God.
come on.
I can't be energetic. My feet are tired.
Bye, Steph.
Bye.
I love you.
Bye, vlog.
Nice to be back, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, where are you from? Mr.